Alright guys, it's Justin here again. Here making another video for you guys. Now, some of you may know what this video is about already. If you saw my unboxing video, or if you saw my post on Facebook with that video as well. Now we're testing out my brand new, just set it up this morning, brand new NCE Powercab, and I'm gonna plug her in right now, and you're gonna hear the startup of my ES44 here. And yeah, we're just gonna go through some of the sounds and functions. Not a big running video. I only got about 3 straight track pieces here, so that's what, 30 inches right there of track. And that's not a lot to really do a running video, but I'll go back and forth and show the lights and stuff. Alright, so I'm going to plug her in now. I'm sorry if you hear a sound and it sort of sounds like it's rattling, a rattling sound. It's something with my engine, and I have to take it back to work with me and have one of the guys look at it, because I can't figure out what's rattling. I think it's something inside, but hopefully you guys don't mind it. I'm going to turn off some of the lights so you can really see some of the actual lights on the locomotive here. And I'm going to be reading off some of the functions, the F1 keys on the locomotive. Now, function 0 does the headlight. Oh, wait a second. There we go. We got the headlight. Now, F1 does the bell, but there's a bell button on the locomotive, so I'm going to show you that right now with the bell, with the button. That's the Graham White E-bell playing. And now we're going to do F2, but I'm going to play it through the horn button, which is the K5XL reverse number 2, the standard GEVO horn. Yeah, it's alright at doing long, but sometimes it plays the whole horn sound, but it's actually not bad for doing horn shows. Alright, so now we're going to go to the coupler clank, which is F3 on the remote. Alright, that was that. And now we're going to do F4, which is the dynamic brake. Now we're going to do F5. Uh-oh. I turned the whole sound out. Whoops. Yeah, well, yeah, I accidentally hit function 8, which is mute the volume of the locomotive. And that's to restart now. Yeah, but next is F5, which does the number boards. Oh, I must have already hit the number boards. My bad. But there you see them going on and off. That's me hitting F5. And F6 does the ditch lights. Now, I already noticed this, but in the video it's going to be the right ditch light, but on the actual locomotive it's the left ditch light if you're facing forward. So on the right ditch light, I know I broke off the ditch light accidentally. I was trying to do something and I accidentally snapped it off. I gotta glue it back on. Okay. So all you see is a little plastic piece that would be inside of the ditch light. Oh, my bad. Yeah, see? And yes, I have it set so that the ditch lights do flash when I blow the horn. And a friend of mine at work sped the flashing down so it's at the prototypical speed. And now we're going to do F7, function 7, which dims the main headlight. You may be able to see that. I'm going to turn the ditch lights off. See that? I'm making the headlight brighter and dimmer. There, it looks like it's flashing now. And that's all the functions I figured out how to do so far. I don't know how to do this double digit functions. If anybody wants to tell me in the comments how to do that, that'd be greatly appreciated. Because I've not figured out how to do functions 10 through 19, and I'd really like to figure out how to do that. So any help is appreciated, even if it's small and doesn't really help me at all. I'm still appreciating that you reached out to me to try and help me. And any help that actually does help me is, of course, appreciated. And any help that has nothing to do with this is not appreciated at all. So, alright, I'm going to turn my lights back on. I like it with one light on. Alright, so I'm going to put the ditch lights back on. I'm going to move the camera down a little bit. And I don't know why it just shut down. That was weird. I don't know how that happened. It's very strange. That was weird. Whoa. That was very strange. I don't know why it just went to 11 miles an hour and started speeding by me. I'm going to hit the direction. Now we're going to go into reverse. Now notice when you go into reverse, the headlights go out automatically. Same with the ditch lights. Oh, crap. Edit that out. Alright, now I'm going to put her back into forward. Alright, I'm going to pick the camera up now. We're going to head around to the back so we can see the rear headlight. And I'm going to hit F7. Look, I don't know if you guys can tell, but the headlight's getting brighter and dimmer. Yeah, you can sort of see it. But yeah, that does that. But I hope you guys enjoyed this. I'm gonna power her down now, so you guys can hear the. Oh, yeah, there's no shutdown, just the ending. But all right, so this is my HO ES44. AH, and hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know I messed up in a couple parts. I'll edit those out so you guys will never notice, except for the ending of the video where I told you I messed up. But alright guys, thanks to Derek Glass and Brian Volts for their help on some stuff, sort of, and their recommendations. Go check out their channels. Derek Glass is Derek's channel, and Brian Volts is channel on YouTube. So go check them out, guys, or check out the U2 Mile Railroads page on Facebook. Great bunch of guys, whole bunch of neat stuff to look at. And I'll be bringing you guys some more videos with a full basement running session with my engine here, going around and doing some loops around the basement. So alright guys, hope you enjoyed this, and night.